What's up, YouTube family? Welcome back to Car Salon with your boy Amir. Today I'm going to go over a tutorial on how to change your headlight bulbs in a Mercedes S550 w221. There's two ways you can do it. Even though some YouTube clips have warned you guys of this 25,000 volts, so you shouldn't change the headlights and you should bolt a terminal or release a terminal. I don't see that being necessary because I changed the headlights without it being removed. You do not need to remove the negative terminal or positive terminal on the battery. As long as the car is off, you will not get electrocuted. So that being said, all you have to do, in the way I did it, I took out the nut that is here, 10 millimeter nut. I took out the reservoir. Yes, you will lose your windshield washer fluid, so that does suck, but it's okay. And then the second one, you take out this nut right here, and you remove the, you don't remove it all the way so that all the coolant leaks, but you remove the coolant housing reservoir and you put it over here on this side right here, and you can access to the cap where the light bulb goes. I do urge you to, when you do remove the old bulbs, I had to remove my old bulbs only because they were flickering and they were flashing, so the ballasts were bad. But I urge you, if you are changing your bulbs, to make sure they click, because if they don't click in when you push them in, you must push them in and make sure it clicks, because then and then also you have to tie the back wires. There's like these two pins that you tie the back of the bulbs to. So that being said, that's how you do it. You can also do it another way by removing the wheel well plastic, the trim underneath the wheel well, which is this piece right here. But I don't know if you want to do that. It's up to you. I did it this route because I didn't want to jack up the car, and it turned out pretty nice. I'll turn on the car so you can see what I'm talking about. And that's it. There you are, the headlights are on and they're not flickering, so that's a good thing. Alright, that being said, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share the video, and hopefully I'll be back soon. Alright, talk to you later. Peace.